I think with the driving programs, whether you have multiple driver profiles like we talked about before, or you just have one driver profile within your organization, I think really understanding what's important to them is critical. And like we talked about the fairness, the equity, the transparency, the structure, all of that's super important. I think the other thing that's really important is how you're communicating it, right? And so, like we said, I think Pablo, you said it earlier, it's not about a policy anymore, right? This is no longer just a mileage number that, we get paid this for mileage. It's not a policy. It really is, it impacts how they do their job. Is it driving efficiency in their job, or is it doing the opposite? Is it causing an administrative burden, right? And so, understanding what's important to your drivers, making sure that your program is structured in a way that is supporting that, but then how you communicate that and do it in a way that lands well with them, making sure that they understand it. And so if they have questions, get all of those questions answered. Change management is always a tough thing with employees, particularly in the macro environments that we're in today. And so when we think about the communication and we think about, yes, this program is structured specifically for you, specifically for your role. Here's why it's good for you. Here's how it's going to change the way you do things. Here's how it's going to improve it. And here's how you're going to have visibility into how it's going to impact your wallet, which we talked about earlier, and what their take home is going to look like. And that communication sometimes is the thing that makes a really great program fall apart, right? It makes it where your employees will just be so hesitant and not really want to be involved in it. It sometimes just comes down to the way it was communicated. And so to me, don't just roll it out like it's another policy that you're changing in a handbook. Put some real thought into how it's going to land with your employees.